Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. Today we're gonna be doing a live noding that's based on this prompt for November, official 2020 prompt list. So today is the 1st of November, so we can do something like cookie. Okay. In the past, actually, I've done a couple of cookie procedurally using Spreadshop. Cookie with filling, cookie a little bit like a chocolate. Actually, my favorite is something like this. But maybe we can do one more cookie that's a little bit more like a biscuit. So let's get started. I'll just make something simple because it's not November. We are experimenting with nodes. So I'll start with something like a sphere, and I'm gonna create mesh viewer. Actually, not sphere, but cylinder. Sorry. And if you plug in cylinder, we get a cylinder, and we have something that's like a cookie, right? Not really. We can use something like cast and prism. Okay, so with prism we can turn cylinder into square-ish or other shapes, right? On top of this, let's save this very quickly. This is node member 01, 001. Just call it cookie. And we can use extrude separate faces. So this is probably a quick little cheat here because it's making it a little bit too easy. If you actually do it this way, it's almost like the Super Mario character, one of the Super Mario character. If we subdivide this, we get a cookie. Or you might think, okay, this looks looking more like a pasta, but more or less it's cookies. I think we can use a cookie color. Would be better if I actually use a shader for this, I guess. We can do that. Oh, by the way, with the mesh viewer, it's almost always sharp. So this smooth shade should be on by default, I think. Okay, so that's basically my cookie. So we have this way to change the shape a little bit. So it's kind of interesting. Actually, the cylinder itself is quite powerful, and we can do a lot of things. But maybe I should try random number. Just plug this into the meridians, or actually the parallels, but not too crazy. Yeah, you end up with a lot of different shapes of cookies. Sometimes you even get like a heart shape. But you can really play around with this, and instead of using random, maybe you can use like oscillator. With oscillator, you can use this with number range. So you can oscillate your cookie. You can twist it. Actually, yeah, twist is a good one to use. So if we, yeah, anyway, play around with this, there are lots of possibilities. If I don't twist it, Maybe, but I'll try. So this is the basic cookies. Basically, you can have multiple. Okay, let's make a couple of different one with just a slight variations. So if you want variations, you can randomize this a little bit. The twist actually works here. So the twist and the extrude, it creates pasta-like cookies. Actually, to add more details, I mean, we can use booleans maybe, but that's kind of cheating because we need to use nodes only. So I think this is my submissions. We could randomize the height slightly here. So random number. And if we have multiple value, we can use number range and plug this into the seed. So you're gonna have multiple. So if you have 10, you also have 10 here. So each one of them should be slightly different, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think they're all slightly different. So that's my cookie node framework. Could be simpler. I mean, could be, well, could be more interesting. Like, let me see. Yeah, I think this is cool. I mean, you can add with pencil, but that's not really nodes. A little bit, but the dots you can add something that you can add easily using cylinder and just make dots around it, and then you boolean. But that's basically cookie. All right. Thanks again for tuning in. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.